Scaredy cat. Look at how nice this kitten is. Both of you are going to be going bye-byes in a few days. I'll miss you, but I know you just become big cats, so I don't need more big cats. If I had more time and space. Goodbye, kitty. Well, guess what's in that case? My roller skate case. I listed it for $149.99 plus ship, and somebody bought it in don't want to say that, in Washington, and they paid $60 to ship it. I'm hoping I got it down about an inch shorter, and I think it might be even down into the next pound down, so it might be able to save them a little cash. But I was going to insure it just for the heck of it, even though I don't think it needs it. I sold a few other things. I sold the Cheryl Ladd cup already too. That was pretty quick sales on 2 items. All right. Hi, baby. My beautiful buddy. Tired. Oh, Leia. Why are you sleeping in that shelf that's still sitting on my porch? Mini Rose. There's Rosie over there. Hello, Rose. You can see it's pouring rain out here. Raining for 2 days. I did not go to town today because I didn't sell anything until a little bit ago. I sold my pie bird. I sent out a offer of $8. Somebody took it plus shipping. I think I might have planted my garden stuff a little earlier than I should have. And my peppers finally came up. I dug out this fan that's been sitting on my porch. I'm going to take it to the flea market. It seems to work good. I had to carefully plug it in because the cord is about shot. It is really rotten. Anyway, so yep, that's my broccoli. That's the banana peppers, and over there is some sunflowers. I haven't done anything with my garden other than dig a hole through it for a fire pit. I did burn some paper in it, but it couldn't hurt to have a little bit of ash in the ground. Yeah. Hey, Papa. So I basically, I don't know, it's been kind of a weird time. My sister's visiting today, but I have not went over to see her yet. Yeah, I don't know. Some yard sales tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to be raining. I thought it was supposed to tomorrow and Saturday, but I'm going to go to them in the morning. Maybe I'll have something to show to everybody. I just thought I'd check in, getting bored. Not that I don't have plenty of crap to do, but oh, I don't know. Just one of them days, I guess. Well, boy, the pond needs a lot of work. All the water was going off that side. I don't know, that was kind of cool looking. Waterfalls. got it right here. So, I guess, my mom's probably watching me after I get to work. Anyway, enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. There's a cute little gray squirrel climbing up my mom's tree over there, but I didn't see it quick enough. Say goodbye to everybody. Say shop TC's Collectibles. Oh, you say bye. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye. Say bye-bye. You want to say bye? No.